Okay, hello guys, today we are going to see about trigonometry. So when we talk about trigonometry, we have basic three ratio in trigonometry. They are sine, cosine and tangent. Here we can see these are the three basic ratio in trigonometry. So we must remember these three things in trigonometry. So sine, cosine and tangent. We have these three ratios, and here I have something SP adds, CB adds, TPB, something like that. This means like first one, this means some people have curly brown hair turning permanently black. So this is a sentence, just a formula to memorize this ratio. First one is for sine, some people have, and second one CBH is for cosine, and last one is for tangent. And also we can also use the second one, SOHCAHTOA. This is also same for sine. SPH means sine. Sorry. So sine, as for sine theta means like perpendicular by hypotenuse. We can see. C means base by hypotenuse. T means perpendicular by base. This same like here, SOHCAHTOA. Sine means, or here, opposite by hypotenuse, or here cosine, adjacent and base same, we can hypotenuse, and here also opposite by adjacent. Here in this figure here we have A, B and C, and the longest side of this triangle is hypotenuse, and here the adjacent base side, and the opposite of the opposite of this angle C is opposite side. So we can see adjacent as also base. We can say something like that, adjacent as a base or opposite as perpendicular, because here this opposite as P we can understand like that also, and adjacent as base, because in this first formula to remember some people have curly brown hair turning permanently black, we can assume like opposite as a perpendicular and adjacent as a base. And in second one, like as O means opposite, here we have direct one. S means sine, O means opposite, S means hypotenuse, C means we know, A means adjacent. We have direct translation in second one, SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so in first figure A, B, C, we have chosen angle C. So this means opposite is this side, in the left hand side, and adjacent here we have same, and hypotenuse. But if we have to understand if the chosen angle is like different, I mean here in second figure we have chosen angle is A here, right? So here see opposite is here down and adjacent is here. So this means opposite and adjacent depends upon the chosen angle. Okay, In the first case, chosen angle was C, here C, but in second case, chosen angle is A. That's why the opposite and adjacent differs in these two cases. So this way, yeah, we have to understand the opposite and adjacent according to the chosen angle in the triangle. Okay, let's see one example. Guys, here we are going to see about the tangent, and here we have two figures, and yeah, and we're asked to find, we have to find here angle A in the first figure, also in angle yeah, AA, which is X. I have given X degree X, that I have supposed X degree now. And in the first case, tangent, tan theta means turning point to be black or opposite by adjacent. Here in first figure, when we have chosen, when we consider angle A, so that means opposite or perpendicular is BC, that is 4, and adjacent or base is AB, that is 5. And here I have 4 by 5 here, opposite by adjacent or perpendicular by base. So tan x, so that means 4 by 5. When we put this thing in calculator, we have this like 38.65 something. So we have to, I have just consider only up to 3 significant figures, so that means 38.7 degree. Yeah, in second case it differs, the chosen angle is also A, but here A, so that means the base and perpendicular differs here. That's why the perpendicular or the base is 8 BC, 8 centimeter, and the adjacent is AB, that is 3 centimeter. That is why 8 by 3. And when we put this thing in calculator, yeah, 69 point something, and this is also in 3 significant figures. And one thing here, guys, when we put this thing in calculator, we can't put like this directly. Tan x is equal to 8 by 3. We can't put this. We have to use this one, this key in the calculator. X minus 1 is equal to 8 by 3. So we get, in the first case also we have to do the same one. Okay, I show you how I did in the calculator. Okay, here's my calculator. Here I have some key, shift, alpha. It depends on, in some of the calculator you have to first press second, and in this calculator I have to press shift and 10, A10, 10 key, so it will give you 10 minus 1, something like that. So shift 10, and in first case what was the ratio? Okay, 4 divided by 5, 4 divided 5 equals 38.659. so we just need to write in 3 significant, so we round up this 0.6 into 0.7. And in the second case, shift 10 and just put the number. It was 8 divided by 3. Okay, 69.4 for something, so only three significant figures and round up the last one, and that answer is 69.4 degree. So okay guys, that's all about today's class. Share and subscribe, and we'll continue with trigonometry, and yeah, we'll see other video, other cases of trigonometry, like other sine and cosine and other more example in the next video.